Hey guys, Vlogmas day 4. It is Saturday and I obviously did not go work. I did just make this shirt for myself before leaving, but we are going to go run some errands, get some lunch, and...
Hey, we're going to go get some Japanese food.
Anyway, so that's what we're gonna do today.
Super excited.
I just want to go back to bed, but...
I love Japanese food.
But anyway, so we're gonna do that. We've got to run. I've got a couple of Christmas gifts I need to get. My hair is still wet, it's drying, but I'll try to get a little bit of footage throughout our day. Colby got a little bit from when he went to Grove Park last night, so I will go ahead and insert that here, and then anything else I get, I'll put after.
Right? It's not just CGI.
I can see what's I see what's
Oh yeah, oh yeah, but also the
that looks like a blanket. Like I just don't know how they would get that texture like that. I know, that's what I don't understand either.
I don't think they have to be 100%.
What's not another?
I swear he has not.
It looks like it could be like thyme or something, or rosemary. Maybe it is
Oh.
edible.
Did you see the beehive? Look at that one. That one's funny. It's Hawaiian. Look at that one. That's from Leicester. That's where Artie is. I mean, look at this. Did you hear about the people burning down those houses or those barns?
The cops and all that.
When you see what they look like, it makes
Beehive.
Look at this one. Oh my God. I love it. These are cool. I can't believe people take the time to do this.
I don't know what they get it for.
Amazon Prime. Amazon Prime.
The rules of the competition is that, of course, the game score the maximum of 24.
Here's your snap your
But every has to be totally. They draw you in with the detail. They draw you into the house or the piece with the story, the narrative that they're trying to tell, and that just.
Guys, so it is now, guys, please, it is now like 7 o'clock, and we ended up meeting up with Colby's sister, Carly. So this is Carly, and we did a little bit of Christmas shopping, and then we got it in our heads that we really wanted to find the Incoherent game, so we went to how many stores? Three different stores trying to find it, and we did finally get it. So we've got this. We also picked up just some frozen pizzas, some chips, some cookies, and we're just gonna have a little game night. They're about to walk the dogs while I upload this video. So,
Hi.
go stand next to Carly. So you guys let me know, do you think that they look alike?
No.
Definitely not.
He looks more like his other sister.
Yeah. You'll have to see my middle sister sometime. And my nephew, my cute little nephew.
But that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's
Seriously,
vlog.
all of my hands.
Good job, Aspen. Aspen's doing really well right now with Carly here. So that's what we're gonna do, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.